Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I want to share something that can completely change the way you speak English. So I want you to watch this video as well as you should try to speak like me. If you do as I am telling you, you will surely speak English better than me. Because what I believe which I am telling you, there is nothing in this world that we can't, I can't. Everybody can do every kind of work, but problem is here that most of the people they don't want to pay attention on that dream. Therefore, they always give up in front of their dream. So what I am telling you, if you have some kind of dream that you want to uh, achieve that dream but you are struggling so far, so this video is for you. You must watch this video till the very end so that you can understand that what should you do for learn this language. Because what I believe which I am telling you, you don't need to take any expensive class. If you are willing to improve your English, so you can improve your English at your home. Because nowadays one of the biggest things in our life, that things is internet, and we can learn everything whatever we like through internet. So here I will tell you, you can become fluent speaker through internet, but you have to be patient, work hard, never give up, because every expensive things take time, but most of the people they never ever want to try to understand that wasting time is biggest mistake in our life. Because we don't have to think about our mistake that we do it every day. Mistake is not your enemy. Mistake is like your good teacher. So we have to work for what mistake we do instead of thinking negative about that. Because here I want to tell you about myself. I have also some kind of problem whenever I saw that someone doing something great in their life. After that I try to compare myself with them, but after that I realized that there is nothing. I will not do like that, because if I do like that I will become upset. Therefore I never ever try to compare myself with that person. So here I will tell you, please try to understand. I am not here to make you upset. I am here to show you right direction. Whether you follow that direction or not, it doesn't matter. But being a brother, I will share so that you can get what you want to get. Because as you know that I am improving my communication skills right now. I am not improving communication skill right now. I have been improving my communication skill for what you call 1 year. Still, I get that it is difficult, because I know that 1 year ago I did not know that when someone used to ask me that what is your name, I couldn't say my name. But now I can speak everything with confidence. Whether I make some mistake, I am not saying that I make a mistake never, or native speaker they don't make a mistake. Everybody make a mistake, because one day I was uh, watching something right now. I don't remember that. Maybe I was watching something in my phone that I saw someone was speaking something wrong. So tell me, that day I realized that I was thinking that I make a mistake, but he is making mistake better than me. I think that day, So here I think, sorry guys, here I say something wrong, because I am realizing right now that I am making mistake. That is okay, because mistake is your not what you call enemy. Silent is your biggest enemy. Because right now I want to stop this video, because today I was not willing to practice. Still, I am doing because I promised to myself that I will never stop doing this work that I want to do. I will never stop learning. I will never stop practicing. I will never stop making video. I will never stop what work I want to do until I achieve which I want to achieve. I say to myself every day these things, and I believe as long as the day I will die, I will stop this work because every day I have to uh, come in comes I have to listen. See, here I want to make some sentences, but right now I don't remember that what should I make that sentence so that my audience can understand that things easily. Therefore I have to think before I speak. This is my thinking which I am telling you. So here I will tell you that everybody should have this type of thinking which I have. You know, we don't have to share anything about your goal, about your dream in front of public before success. But you have to get freedom. That how I can get success and what should I do. Sorry guys, here I am speaking everything whatever I like because I don't have to impress other. I have to improve myself and I have to impress myself. That was today I made lot of mistake, but today I did little week. That day I decided, sorry guys, I don't want to stop this video, but I have to stop because right now my mind is somewhere else because of that. So please forgive me. And here I wanted to talk a lot, but today I had some work which I did. After that, I am willing to take rest. Therefore, I want to stop this video. I will meet you next video. So bye.